Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is just me, Erica, and I'm doing a wash day routine. And for today's wash day routine, I'm adding an element that is highly effective, and that is CBD. Now, just a little quick watered down lesson about CBD. In the past few years, I feel like CBD has become more mainstream. I think it's because a lot of people are doing their research on the benefits of CBD. And I just wanted to say this. CBD doesn't get you high, it's the THC that gets you high, and there is no THC in the CBD products that I'm using. But this is just, I'm not going to go into the whole a whole lesson on CBD or like in depth about CBD. You guys can research it for yourself because that's not what this video is about. I am just showing you the benefits of it in hair care, and a lot of hair care brands are starting to incorporate CBD in their products, which is why I'm doing this video. And the hair care brand that I used was the brand Hempz. And I've been a fan of Hempz for a while. I use their lotion, their body lotion, and all of their products smell really, really good. But recently they introduced their CBD hair care line, and I really wanted to try it out. And they did have like travel size options on their site, so I did get the travel size option of each product, which is actually amazing because if I don't like the product, it's not like I'm wasting a lot of it. So I did get the trial size, and even their full size is very affordable. I was really impressed with their line because A, it's affordable, like even the big size, and B, their CBD product line is very thorough. Like it comes with a shampoo, a scalp oil, a conditioner, hair mask, and a leave-in. So I'm just going to go through this wash routine and let you guys in on the benefits of CBD. So I started off with the CBD Moisture Hit Ultra Hydrating Herbal Shampoo, and this has 45 milligrams of CBD. So the CBD that Hempz uses, the hair care brand, the one they use is CBD isolate, meaning there is nothing added to it. Now, the shampoo and the product line itself isn't odorless, and that's because they added eucalyptus and tea tree oil to their products, and that's just to add to the benefits, especially for the scalp. And CBD is amazing for the hair and scalp because it is loaded with vitamins and levels of collagen and keratin, so you are getting the effects of a protein treatment. CBD is known to strengthen the hair. So my thoughts on this shampoo. Immediately when I used it, I felt a cooling sensation on my scalp. It felt so good. And I definitely think it was the tea tree oil working to cleanse the scalp. That's why I felt that cooling sensation. And the shampoo itself wasn't anything special as far as when it comes to moisturizing. It just felt like any regular shampoo, but it definitely wasn't bad. It didn't dry out my hair or anything. But yeah, as far as, I definitely felt more, you know, in the scalp area, but as far as moisturizing, nothing really wowing, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. And after the shampoo, I used the CBD Royal Treatment Ultra Hydrating Herbal Scalp Serum, which also has 45 milligrams of CBD. And again, all these products have eucalyptus oil and tea tree oil in them, so not only do they smell amazing, but these two oils work together with CBD to care for the scalp. Tea tree oil and eucalyptus oil help soothe the scalp. CBD kind of comes in and gets to the root of the problem and reduces inflammation in the scalp. So if you are suffering from dry, itchy scalp, if you have eczema, seborrheic dermatitis, CBD oil infused products are, I feel like they're recommended if you have any of those problems, but again, do your research. So my notes on the scalp serum, like this stuff is the real deal. If you don't get, or if you want anything from this product line, I would say get this. Even in travel size, it's a good size and it's super affordable. But yeah, my itchy scalp went away just like that, and that combined with the shampoo was a definite game changer. So I would say that this product is definitely something you want to add to your hair routine, and you don't have to get like the whole product line. You can just use this like by itself, or you know, in addition to the regular shampoos that you use. But yeah, if you have dry itchy scalp, definitely get this. All right, so next in rotation was the CBD On-One Conditioner Ultra Hydrating Herbal Conditioner. CBD also contains loads of fatty acids and amino acids, and if you guys don't know, those both kind of lock in moisture and combat dryness in the hair. And again, with this conditioner, kind of like the shampoo, I didn't really notice a difference in moisturization or moisturizing. Like I said, it didn't really, obviously didn't make my hair dry, but it wasn't anything like too special. I did feel like, again, it was more of a scalp thing, like it was focusing more on the scalp. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be feeling like the cooling sensation for the rest of the week. Alright, so next up is the mask, and I'm so excited that they included a mask in their collection because a lot of collections don't really add masks in. And I used the CBD Masquerade Party Instant Ultra Hydrating Herbal Hair Mask, and that contained 40 milligrams of CBD. Also, all these products and all Hempz products contain 100% pure natural hemp seed oil, and this is another strengthening aspect of the CBD collection. Hemp seed oil just fills in the weak part of the hair with strengthening benefits. And I just left this on my hair for about 30-40 minutes just so that my hair can get the strength it deserves. I want to say I'm 10 months post relaxer, so yeah, I just need my hair to be built for it tough because the two textures, I don't need them like breaking off. Alright, so after rinsing that out, the next stage is to add the leave-in, and I am a leave-in conditioner snob. I think it's because I have my top 5 favorite leave-in conditioners, so anytime I use a new one, it has to live up to the hype, and I know what I want out of a leave-in conditioner. And the main quality needs to be in its ability to detangle. So I'll let y'all know in a second how I feel about this one, but it is called the CBD Seeing Is Believin' Ultra Hydrating Conditioning Mist. Now this product is supposed to help hydrate, detangle, and control frizz. But I will say, after using it, I really wasn't a fan. Again, like I said earlier, I am 10 months post relaxer. It's time for me to get a new relaxer, to get another relaxer, and my new growth is just all over the place. So I can really tell how good a product's detangling aspect is, you know, because of my, new growth. And this one just didn't really impress me that much. I think if I was at the beginning stage of my relaxer, it would be okay because it wasn't terrible at detangling. It just wasn't. It didn't live up to the hype or, my standards of detangling. So yeah, during the middle of my my detangling stage, I just switched over to my Oi all-in-one hair milk, and the difference was like night and day. I love that detangler. Again, that's in one of my top 5 detanglers, so I just switched over to that, and it was like easy breezy detangling. And the rest of the routine just flew by. It went by fast. So also I did go on Hempz website to see if this detangler had any type of heat protectant in it, and it didn't say. So I was kind of iffy about that because, again, after I detangle, I blow dry. So yeah, I switched over to the Oi all-in-one hair milk, and that has a heat protectant in it. So yeah, I don't think this detangler has heat protection, so just a little side note. But again, it's not bad, but I just won't be reaching for this again, so yeah. Alright, so I did finish my routine. I just blow dried my hair, and I also flat ironed it. So here are my notes on the collection. So I did feel like the collection did what it was supposed to do. My hair feels like I just got a protein treatment. I haven't had a protein treatment in a while, so it was kind of needed because I am getting a relaxer soon, so I want my hair to be a little bit, not in its weak stage. And with all the protein benefits that come with using CBD, I can see why my hair feels like it just got a protein treatment. My scalp also feels clean, no more itchiness, and also usually after I finish my blow dry and flat iron stage, I usually have like little flakes on the edge of my hairline. I didn't have any of that. I feel like it did its job, again, in the scalp department and in the strengthening department. But as far as moisturizing, all the products had hydrating in the title, so I don't know, like I said, it didn't make my hair feel dry, so it was hydrated. But yeah, you guys let me know if you guys use CBD oil in your hair products. I know some people like to add like drops of CBD oil in their shampoo. You could do that. But hair care lines are starting to come out with CBD infused hair products. This line, again, does not have THC in it. You're not going to get high. And yeah, it's also paraben free and gluten free. But yeah, I feel like the real winner of this collection was the Scalp Serum. And like I said, you guys need to go get that. Like, I will continue to use that and like massage it in my hair. I will definitely use it after the shampoo, kind of how I did it in my routine. But yeah, my scalp just felt clean, and like you could just feel the cooling sensation. It's just a good feeling overall. So again, let me know if you guys use CBD, if it's not in hair care, if you use it in skincare, let me know. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys next week. Bye!